Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the environment and controls so adjustments are meaningful. First, set the TV to a neutral picture mode and turn off automatic brightness and eco settings. This prevents the panel from compensating while you work. Next, load a mid-gray test image or a high-quality pattern so you can judge luminance and black level accurately. Once done, reduce room lights to a typical viewing level and make sure you are seated in your normal viewing position before making the first tweaks. Now you calibrate the core picture controls to balance brightness and detail. Increase backlight to reach desired peak luminance, but stop before highlight clipping removes detail. Then set contrast to control whites and brightness to anchor blacks. Once those are stable, tune gamma to preserve midtones and choose a color temperature that won't shift perceived intensity. If your TV has local dimming or dynamic contrast, make gentle adjustments. Too aggressive settings can cause flicker or crushed shadows, so proceed gradually and compare scenes. Finish by optimizing advanced features and verifying consistency across sources. For HDR, enable the TV's HDR/peak brightness mode and verify that metadata is passed from your player. This yields the intended luminance. Update firmware, test streaming, broadcast, and game content, and make minor per-input adjustments as needed. If brightness is inconsistent or displays artifacts, reset picture settings. Try different HDMI cables or ports, and reduce
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.